Headlines at this hour. Microsoft reports over 500 million in savings by integrating AI into sales and customer service operations, enhancing productivity and boosting revenue by 9%. Salesforce raises its full-year sales outlook after an 8% revenue increase, attributing growth to its AI and data cloud segments. Google launches AI-powered ad tools tailored for the Indian marketers, aiming to streamline digital advertising strategies. Amazon unveils Project Starfish, an AI-driven initiative to create a comprehensive product information source, enhancing seller tools and customer service experiences. Welcome to Agent 91 Newsroom. I'm Shioli, and tonight we delve into how AI is revolutionizing sales, from streamlining operations to enhancing customer interactions. Microsoft's strategic implementation of AI across sales and customer service has led to significant cost savings and a 9% increase in revenue. This integration has enhanced productivity, particularly in interactions with smaller customers. This showcases how AI isn't just a tool, it's a transformative force in sales efficiency. Gong launches live pitch scoring during calls. HubSpot introduces voice notes for follow-up automations. Agent 91 now supports CSV-based lead ingestion via Spark. Wolf can now detect urgency based on inbound signal strength. And yes, Nova can now respond in Hindi, Tamil, and Spanish to sales instructions. Over to you, Anupama.
Good morning, Bengaluru. This is Anupama.
I'm Samiksha.
From Agentverse. Tonight's forecast, 100% chance of follow-ups, powered by agents, not interns.
Reps don't write emails anymore. Spark does it now, and it doesn't whine about the character count.
Let's go through the Agent 91 Salesforce.
Woodpecker's a friend who always double texts, but with a better timing.
And Spark, that's the overachiever that always drafts 3 different jokes in the same subject line and then tests them all.
It once wrote a mail funnier than me. I still haven't recovered.
From leads to closed sale, all triggered by one sentence to Nova. No dashboards, no clicking, no chaos. Wolf hunts down the leads, enriches the emails, and verifies for credibility. Hawkeye profiles them into tech stack, funding, and decision makers.
Spark syncs all the CRM, scores a lead, generates email variations, and triggers the next step. Woodpecker handles all the follow-ups based on open, click, and ghosting. Noah, follow with everyone who clicked yesterday but didn't reply.
Woodpecker activated, tone adjusted, lead tier calibrated, emails deployed.
And just like that, follow-ups are done. Hi guys. Now I'm gonna ask Preeta a question. Hi Preeta.
Hi.
So how does Nova work for you?
I have 6 agents running on Nova. Woodpecker handle my emails. Spark updates my CRM. I mostly talk to agents now. It's weird.
Guys, so today I'm gonna ask one of our interns a question. Hi Harshit.
Hi.
So what are your thoughts on our agent?
I didn't follow up manually for 2 weeks, but my pipeline is moving faster than before.
Damn, that's impressive.
This bulletin was powered by Voxy, your news agent. And I'm Shioli, signing off from the Agent 91 newsroom. Good night and go close.